Hey everyone, welcome back to another video on our channel Tech It Simple. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can go live on TikTok without having 1,000 followers. If you like the sound of that, then watch the video till the end. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and turn on the notifications so you never miss an upcoming video. Okay, so let's get started. Firstly, open up your TikTok app. Then go to your profile. Now on the top right corner of the screen, press the hamburger menu, then click on Settings and Privacy. After you do that, you will need to scroll to the bottom. On the support panel, click on Report a Problem. Now you can see number of problems that can be solved or can be reported to the company. Now on the top corner of the screen, click on the feedback option. Again, click on the edit option. Now here you'll be able to report your problem. Now you'll need to write something like, "Hey TikTok, I cannot You can write something like this. If you want help, you can just copy whatever I wrote. After you've done that, you can simply click on the report button. There you can see that your message has been sent to TikTok. Now TikTok will try to solve the problem and introduce live option to your TikTok ID. I hope you liked our video. If you did, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up. We will be soon back with videos like this. Thank you for watching.